Hello everyone, welcome back to Journeys of Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 grateful gang, 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 gang. And if you're not a part of Grateful Gang, the Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. Just hit that red subscribe button. It costs you nothing. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy with your subscribes, because I mean, we not even charging you. You don't have to put no money in. You just hit the button and hit your notification bell to make sure that you know that you're seeing all the things. You know what I'm saying? Anywho, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let's get right into this. Today we'll be tracking our expenses for the last week, this previous week of July. Girl, I feel like the money is just going. I'm trying to what they call conscious spend right now. But babe, okay, let's just say Let's not forget our babes over here in the cash category. So let's start there. I have created a key for myself. So this is our savings challenge. Just move that over. I didn't want to forget that either. So I've created myself a key. Gas will be in blue, groceries, purple, eat out. I'm not going to write it all in that color. I'm just going to put a little heart next to that one. First things first, anything out of gas? Yes. On 7-9, we got gas of $20.
7-9, gas minus $20. Or plus $20. I'm just not going to add the plus and minus. Grab my calculator. I can't wait for Prime Day to get a new one. This poor one is falling apart, baby. That's all right. That's what we got. And it works. So we were at 117.38. 17.38. Plus $20. And then that's
137.38. And we should have we started with 120. We used 20. We should have $100 left. We have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100 left in gas. We're doing really good. I'm going to say we're pretty much halfway through the month because as I'm recording this, it is the 13th. So we're almost on the 15th. And then giving actually did not take anything. We started with 20 and we're ending with 20. That's going to change though because I'm supposed to donate 2 birthday gifts, a couple birthdays. So that's pretty much gone. And self-care is had 80 and we still have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I still have not gone to get my eyebrows and my pedicure yet. Probably sometime this upcoming week I will do that for sure. So that's it for cash. The only thing we spent in cash so far was our gas to fill up. I think we're still pretty full at this point. Maybe still have 3/4 of a tank left, which is a whole bunch. So gas color is blue. So I'm just gonna grab the blue marker here and make a little blue heart so we know just by looking at a glance. Okay, now I'm just trying to trend you guys to see, because so far, you know, snacks and stuff, and I feel like that's the trend so far, which I'm not loving. All right, so let's venture into our credit cards. Let's take a look at the 2 we're using right now. The Buy by Debt, which is the Quicksilver, is being used for everyday bills that have been budgeted in our bi-weekly budget, and this one is for our variable expenses. However, y'all, literally, this is a credit of $85 while we're still waiting for 2 transactions to post, which is the insurance that we paid, and then also, I believe, the electric bill that we paid. Not right now. Okay, so in pending, we have the Georgia Power electric bill, and then we have the State Farm that's pending. But Clayton County Eye Center sent me $85 back, you guys. I don't know what that credit is for. I haven't been to that eye center in a year, so I'm wondering if they sent me somebody else's money. I am going to call on Monday because when I noticed this was last night and they would have been closed. So I am going to call and find out what that is because I don't need to be banking on money that is not mine, and thou shalt not steal, okay? So let's get into our saver one, which is the one we're currently reconciling. Be advised, the internet on this particular device seems excessively slow, so it is a time where we get to practice our patience. Yeah. All right, so the last thing we did was made these payments here, 117.38. Remember, there was a whole song. So then we have Publix for $38. I don't know why it never seemed to clear up for y'all. All right, so I turned up the brightness, hoping that will help you guys see, but there is, I'm not sure it's helping us see at all. It's ridiculous. It was $38.77.
$38.77, and that was groceries at the Publix, and that was on 7/8.
We had $137.38 plus $38.77. Such a weird combo of numbers. $176.15. And then we have these posted transactions here, and then these up here are still pending. Listen, don't even talk about it. These here, so on 7-Eleven, we have two 7-Elevens and one 7-Eleven. The first 7-Eleven, let me see if I can bring y'all. I don't know that y'all can see regardless if I bring y'all in or not. Let me see if darken it will help. No, that's not no, that's not the way to go, sis. Brighten. Okay, so 7-Eleven, that was, anytime you see this Marathon Petroleum and it's under $20, more than likely it was snacks. Well, it's the ginger ale thing. I don't know what's going on with me and my stomach, but every time I go there, I'm picking up like a ginger ale and a snack. So we're just going to put snack next to anyone that's like that. So we have a snack, then we have a Popeyes, and then we have a, either way, that's going under EO for eating out. East Orange, no, eating out. And that's another snack. Eating out has been not like killing the game, but in the bad way. So on 7-Eleven for eating out, we did $6.76, and then Popeyes we did $26.55. I basically ran out of meal prep, bought a family meal, and was eating that for a couple of days. And then this other one, $6.23, is snacks. So let's just add those all in. Why do I keep clearing that? $176.15 plus $6.76 is $182.91 plus, you're getting in my way, $26.55 equals $209.46 plus $6.23 equals $215.69. Okay, and literally eating out, fam. Eating out. That was all eating out, and eating out is pink.
Except for groceries. That groceries, I don't know why I didn't make the groceries, but these 3 pink cards, it's saying a lot. I've already seen a lot of pink happening right now. I'm just going to leave the pink marker out. And Publix was groceries.
I really should make the heart and not color it in until I actually pay it. That might be the move next time. And then we have, that's it that cleared so far. So these 3 or 4 things that we still need to pay are $6.23
plus $26.55 plus $6.76 plus $38.77. Oh, no.
That's $78.31, and as you can see, $78.31 is our balance for right now. So it's okay that I colored those hearts in because we're going to go ahead and pay it. Basically, everything that's there is groceries and eating out, and that would come out of the sinking fund, our cashless envelope money, not sinking funds. So let's go ahead and make that payment. So we're going to pay the balance, this time I've learned, our current balance of $78.31, and we're going to pull it out of cash envelope money account and choose that account, and then we're going to submit our payment. So that account has $204 in it right now. Thank you for your payment. Success. So that payment to the card is done. You'll see the money. Well, yeah, the money will change. And we have a couple of things still pending. You'll see the payment scheduled right there. Then I do have a Domino's, a Marathon, and a UPS. Okay, we're real close right now. And a UPS. The UPS is the mailing of my giveaway prize, so that'll come out of YouTube money. But this again, snacks, and this is eating out again. Literally, there's no more money eating out. To be honest, I'm trying not to think about it in the categories that I am, but I want to be monitoring how much I'm really spending on these things per month if, you know, if I'm just thinking about it, but I need to do better already, okay? So let's just do our little notes, and then I think we're going to move to the savings challenge and we're done. In our cashless envelope money, I just like to have a good idea of what we're working with right now. In the cashless envelope money, which patience. Okay, it says we currently have 204 in there. And this is 713, okay? So we have 204, but we literally just call it 80 bucks. We just paid $80, $78. So we really only have $124, okay? And then we still have this Domino's, so the 124 minus like the $21 and then the $10 from that. We really only have like $49. Really? That can't be right. 124 minus 21 minus 10. Okay. We've got like really 93 bucks. Okay. For half a month. For half the month still. I'm a little scared. But it does let me know, like, when I'm shopping, to be very careful about, there probably won't be any more eating out or anything like that. But that's where we're at with that. And then that's good. So everything's paid. I kind of have an idea of what we're really working with for the next couple weeks, and I need to be super careful about what I'm spending. But as y'all can see, I'm not really spending a ton of money. It just goes by so quickly. And then I also do have some cash left in all the other categories, but self-care and stuff is going to be used. I know giving is going to be used. Anyway, next we want to go ahead and save some money. So I know that we have $50 in my buffer for the last paycheck that we got. So I'm going to use that, some of that, to pay, because there's some giving I might want to do out of that buffer money also. It be having to stretch, okay? I'm going to do, I think, $20 out of my buffer. So we're gonna do the 210s because they're the biggest on here, and let's get rid of them right now. Now I don't know if these little markers right here will work. Let me see. Nah, fam, that ain't gonna work. That rubs right off. I think it rubs right off. I didn't even give it a chance to start. But hold on, I'm gonna color in my 10s, my 2 10s for 20. All right, so I've colored in my 2 10s, 10 over here, 10 over here, for a total of 20. It would not be smart for me to try and take money out of my cashless envelope digital sinking fund because we're already kind of low in there. So it's nice that I had money from my budget that I could use. So it would be sitting in my operating account, Tara's Major Keys, and we're going to go ahead and transfer $20 over to the monthly savings challenge. It's only $5 in there right now because we used last month's savings challenge to pay off our Home Depot card, so we don't owe anything on none of the cards right now, which is where we want to be. So that's going to be $20 and a memo of, I think I called it Lab for Life's a Beach. And transfer. So we're going from success, we're going from my account, the main account, to the monthly savings account, and we're done. Success. Everything's signed in. You guys, this is a free tracker for, It's a free savings challenge for July. So if you're interested in doing it, I know for sure Nightlife is doing it. Shout out to you, girl. I know Marnie Budget said she might do it later on once she catches up on all her savings. Also, shout out to Budget with Elma, who's also doing it. Thank you so much. So shout out to all of you. If you are doing it and I see it in a video, I'm tagging all the other ladies so they can watch your video as well. And that way we can all support each other. The free link to it is down in the description box, as well as check out all the ladies. They will be on the screen. Follow their channels, see what they're saving. I am doing the lower budget one, which is 100. There is a higher budget one, which is for 500 if you have like a goal you're working on right now and you know you're going to be saving way more money than 100. There is the $500 one. It might be, I'm keeping them because and laminating them because I think I want to use them next year as well because they're so beautiful. But you guys, that's it for today's video. We did track all of our expenses. I think I've got so much better at that. Y'all remember what this was like in the beginning? Oh my God, we had no plan. It was horrible. So now I'm getting much better hang of it. Doing it weekly is really working, and coming up with my own ways of tracking it has been fun. So that's done. And then using extra money from different places to save for different things is also quite awesome. I am loving doing this. I'm so very grateful for the ladies who invited me to join in on this. Thank you so much, Cassie J Budgets, for creating these challenges. She does have an Etsy shop with Cynthia. There's SNC Budget Creations. They will be linked in the description below if you want to check out their Etsy shop. They've got a lot of cute challenges going on. But this one, like I said, is a freebie. If you're interested in printing it out and following along, let me know down in the comments if you are doing it with me or with any of the other ladies so I can watch and support your videos, or just say thank you for supporting us. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Just hands. Love you, mean it. Bye.